everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a quick review of Dola AI, also known as Cici AI, actually formerly known as Cici AI. We're looking at the pricing plans. Now it has a free plan that costs about $0 per month. You get access to basic conversation features, limited daily interaction, and include text and voice support. That's what I'm using right now. I'm using the free plan. You can also log in if you want. So it has AI writing in the free plan. It also has AI reading. So you just give it the document link or the file and it will read it for you. So then they have this premium plan where you pay $9.90 per month and you get unlimited daily conversations, priority access to voice recognition features, advanced content generation tools, faster response times, and multilingual translation support. Now, if you're looking for alternative, let's say you do not want this, you're looking for alternative, you can try Ask Legal Bot, you can try Goody2 AI, you can try Wall Bot, you can try Magic Body Chat, Hume AI, Punky AI, Digicode Site, and V Retail Space. These are alternatives to them. These are the top alternatives. So hope you found this video helpful.